Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? You work, you earn, you save what you can. And yet, financial freedom seems just as far away as ever. The truth is that most people aren't losing money because of one big mistake. They're losing it through small, silent forces that slowly drain their wealth every single day. Today, we're exposing the biggest silent wealth killers that may already be stealing your future. Let's begin. The first wealth killer is invisible: inflation. Most people think inflation simply means prices are rising, but inflation is much more dangerous than that. Inflation quietly reduces the purchasing power of your money. Imagine keeping $10,000 in cash. 5 years later, the number is still $10,000, but what that money can buy has decreased significantly. Cash feels safe, but over long periods, cash can become one of the riskiest assets you own. This one catches almost everyone: lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, a better job, a bonus, and then your spending rises too. A nicer car, a more expensive phone, more subscriptions, more restaurants, a larger house. Before long, your lifestyle expands to absorb every dollar you earn. Many people earn twice as much as they did 10 years ago, yet they feel just as financially stressed because their expenses grew at the same speed. Wealth is what you keep. Debt has become so common that many people barely question it anymore. Monthly payments have become a way of life. Car payments, credit cards, consumer financing, buy now, pay later. One payment doesn't seem dangerous, neither does the second or the third. But eventually, your future income becomes committed before you even receive it. You're no longer working for yourself. This wealth killer isn't financial, it's psychological. Time, the most valuable asset on earth. Many people spend years saying, "I'll start investing later." The problem is that wealth grows exponentially. Time is what allows investments to compound. Every year you delay can be extremely expensive. Money lost can be earned again. Time cannot. Fear has destroyed more wealth than market crashes. People are afraid to invest, afraid to learn, afraid to start, afraid to fail. So they wait and wait and wait. Meanwhile, opportunities pass by. Fear often disguises itself as caution, but sometimes caution becomes paralysis. The goal isn't reckless risk. The goal is informed action, because doing nothing is also a decision. We live in the most distracted era in human history. Notifications, endless scrolling, algorithms fighting for your attention. Attention has become one of the world's most valuable resources. Every hour spent consuming meaningless content is an hour not spent improving your life. The wealthiest people protect their attention because attention creates focus. Focus creates skills. Skills create value. This may be the biggest wealth killer of all: lack of ownership. Many people spend their entire lives consuming. Very few spend time owning. Ownership changes everything. Owning investments, owning businesses, owning productive assets, owning your skills. Owners build wealth. The biggest threats to your financial future are rarely dramatic. They're silent. They operate in the background. Inflation, lifestyle inflation, debt, lost time, fear, distraction, and the lack of ownership. The good news? Once you can see them, you can start fighting them. You don't need a perfect plan. You simply need awareness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content from BTC Vision. And tell me in the comments, which silent wealth killer do you think affects people the most? Thanks for watching.